Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can set up DeepSeek for Janitor AI. So first thing you have to do is go to the openrouter.ai and create your account. From there, just have to go to your profile icon and press keys here. And after that, just click on integrations, this one. Next is to get your Truths API key. So visit the truths.ai and then create your account and then just click on API option, which is here, available on the top navigation. So you just have to scroll down and tap on create API key on this one and then just give it a name to the key and then create the key and then you have to copy it. So after that, you just have to get your Targon API key. So go to the targon.com and create your account. From there, just navigate to the profile icon located at the top right and then click on settings here. And then just click on the API keys option positioned on the left sidebar. So after that, just click on the create key. So after that, you just have to give it a name and then copy the key. Next is to connect your Targon to the open router. So go back to the open router and then hit the Targon from the integrations options and then paste the key that you just generated and then copy it from the Targon website. And then just have to hit the save button. And then after that, just generate a main open router API key. So now go to the API keys within the open router and hit the button create API key. From there, you just have to give it whatever name that you want and then press the create option and then copy the key. And that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.